Are you interested in some delicious smoothie recipes, each of which is packed with dietary fiber? Also, would you be curious to know why each of these smoothies is so good for your health? What if I told you that we've gathered some scientific evidence on the best drink ingredients to boost fiber, and we've used them to prepare 10 delicious recipes for you? All you have to do is sit back and relax, and by the end of this video you will be the master of dietary fiber drinks. The recipes we share can be the perfect addition to your meal preps. They will not only boost your fiber intake, but also provide you with additional nutrients, such as vitamins and antioxidants. Want to feel energized and glowing from the inside out? Are you sick of misinformation and want to know only science-backed and proven tips? Well, make yourself comfortable, because we're about to give you exactly that. Before we reveal the recipes, let me just mention the reason why dietary fiber is so important for your health. Fiber keeps our digestive system running smoothly, supports heart health, helps manage weight, and even stabilizes blood sugar levels. Also, there's a big difference between consuming sugar versus consuming sugar together with fiber. It's not just about blood sugar levels and weight management. Fiber supports a healthy gut, which crosstalks with your brain and immune system. Balancing and diversifying your dietary fiber can have a significant impact on your brain performance, energy levels, and chronic inflammation. In other words, a healthy and balanced intake of different types of fiber is essential for overall health. And soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance, helping to lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar. It's found in foods like apples, citrus fruits, oats, and flax seeds. Insoluble fiber promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. You'll find it in foods like whole grains, nuts, seeds, and the skins of fruits and vegetables. Both types of fiber work together to nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut, support your immune system, and even keep your heart happy. So without further ado, let's see how exactly we can fiberize our bodies by catering to our taste buds. Please note that if you have any health concerns, changes in your diet should be discussed with a physician who knows you personally. Let's start with the Apple Cinnamon Delight Smoothie. This smoothie is a fiber superstar. We'll reveal the ingredients in just a moment. Apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that not only aids digestion, but also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. The banana adds a dose of resistant starch, which acts like fiber and helps you feel full longer. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. They're packed with soluble fiber that forms a gel in your stomach, keeping you satisfied and helping regulate blood sugar levels. And let's not forget cinnamon, which not only adds warmth and sweetness, but also has anti-inflammatory properties and may improve insulin sensitivity. Recipe: 1 medium apple, cored and chopped. 1 ripe banana. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a handful of ice cubes. Pop all the ingredients into your blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Our next smoothie star is the Berry Blast Antioxidant Smoothie. Get ready for an explosion of flavor and color with this berry-packed champion that's as delightful to look at as it is to drink. Berries are nature's candy, loaded with both soluble and insoluble fiber. They help lower LDL cholesterol levels and support heart health. Their vibrant colors come from various anthocyanins, which are very powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Flax seeds add a good amount of extra fiber and are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are your bestie when it comes to heart and brain healths. Furthermore, this smoothie also contains yogurt, which brings probiotics to the party, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Recipe: 1/2 cup fresh strawberries, 1/2 cup fresh blueberries, 1/2 cup fresh raspberries, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 cup low-fat yogurt, or a plant-based alternative, optionally, a drizzle of honey. Skip the honey if you want less sugar in your smoothie, but if you are craving some extra sweetness, honey also has anti-inflammatory properties. Combine all the berries, flaxseed, and yogurt. Blend until smooth and luscious. Taste and adjust the sweetness with honey. Pour, sip, and let the berry goodness brighten your day. Now, let's explore some green smoothies too. Our next champion is the Green Gut Healer Smoothie. This green friend has one goal in life: to energize your gut. The kiwi in it is a fantastic source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help with digestion and relieve constipation. Avocado, on the other hand, brings healthy fats and a hefty dose of fiber that promotes satiety and supports a balanced microbiome. Spinach is rich in insoluble fiber, aiding in regular bowel movements, while inulin is a soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic for your gut bacteria. Together, these ingredients work harmoniously to soothe and heal your digestive system. Recipe: 1 peeled ripe kiwi, 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 cup fresh spinach leaves, 1 tablespoon inulin powder, 1 cup coconut water, a few ice cubes. Add the kiwi, avocado, spinach, inulin powder, and coconut water into your blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour over ice if you like it extra cold, and enjoy the refreshing, earthy flavors. If you're not in the mood for something green, how about the tropical quinoa power smoothie? Yep, this one is a bit weird, but trust me, it tastes great. Escape to a tropical paradise with this energizing smoothie that's perfect for breakfast or a post-workout refuel. Recipe: 1/2 cup cooked and cooled quinoa, 1 cup ripe mango chunks, 1/2 ripe banana, 1 cup pineapple juice, preferably fresh. Blend until silky smooth. Taste and add honey if you'd like a bit more sweetness. Pour into a tall glass, garnish with a slice of mango or pineapple, and let the tropical vibes wash over you. Why is it good for you? Quinoa isn't just for salads. It's a fantastic smoothie addition. It's rich in both soluble and insoluble fibers, providing sustained energy and promoting digestive health. Mango and pineapple are not only deliciously sweet but also high in vitamins, antioxidants, and digestive enzymes like bromelain. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients that support your overall health while treating your taste buds to a tropical delight. Speaking of tropical, you didn't think we'd go without something more citrusy, did you? Our 5th smoothie champion is the Citrus Kickstart Smoothie. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are high in pectin, a soluble fiber that supports heart health by lowering cholesterol and helping you feel full. The ginger adds a spicy warmth and has potent anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, while the chia seeds provide that soluble fiber for blood sugar regulation and satiety. This smoothie is not only refreshing but also a fantastic way to nourish your body with immune-boosting vitamin C and digestive support. Recipe: 1 juicy orange, peeled and segmented. 1/2 grapefruit, peeled and segmented. A 1-inch piece of peeled fresh ginger. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 cup Greek yogurt or a dairy-free alternative, a handful of ice cubes. Add the orange, grapefruit, ginger, chia seeds, and yogurt together. Blend until smooth and frothy. Our next champion is another weird one, but again, it packs powerful benefits. It's the creamy avocado pear smoothie. This one is the perfect blend of creamy and sweet. Avocado is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and both soluble and insoluble fibers, which promote heart health and keep you satiated. Pears are high in soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which aids digestion and supports a healthy gut. This smoothie provides a harmonious blend of nutrients for your heart, digestion, and overall well-being. Recipe: 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 ripe pear, cored and chopped, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Combine and blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Enjoy the luxurious taste and texture. Next, we have the Beetroot Berry Fusion Smoothie. Beetroot is high in insoluble fiber and nitrates, which helps lower blood pressure and improves blood flow. Its fiber content supports digestive health and regularity. Blackberries and strawberries are rich in fiber and antioxidants, promoting heart health and fighting inflammation. The flax seeds add extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, supporting heart and brain health. This smoothie not only looks beautiful, but also offers a cohesive blend of ingredients that work together to enhance your health. Recipe: 1 small beetroot, peeled and diced. 1/2 cup fresh blackberries. 1/2 cup fresh strawberries. 1 cup pure apple juice. 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed. First, blend the beetroot and apple juice until smooth. Then add the blackberries, strawberries, and flaxseed. Blend again until everything is well combined and smooth. Pour into a glass and admire the vibrant color of this health booster. Next, we have something more on the sweet side: the Fig Banana Bliss Smoothie. Experience pure bliss with this naturally sweet and creamy smoothie that's perfect any time of day. Recipe: 2 fresh figs, stems removed, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 cup oat milk, a pinch of cinnamon. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Figs are a fantastic source of both soluble and insoluble fibers, promoting satiety and digestive health. They also contain prebiotics that nourish your gut bacteria. The banana adds resistant starch and potassium, supporting heart health and digestion, while the almond butter provides healthy fats, protein, and additional fiber. Together, these ingredients create a smoothie that's not only delicious, but also supports your digestive system and keeps you feeling satisfied. Our next tasty sip of health is called the Guava Ginger Refresher Smoothie. Transport yourself to a tropical oasis with this refreshing and exotic drink. Guava is incredibly high in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which aids digestion and supports a healthy gut microbiome. It's also packed with vitamin C, boosting your immune system. Ginger adds a flavor kick and has a powerful anti-inflammatory and digestive benefit, while coconut water hydrates and replenishes electrolytes. This smoothie is a cohesive blend that not only refreshes but also revitalizes your body. Recipe: 2 ripe guavas, peeled and seeds removed. 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger. 1 tablespoon honey or agave nectar. 1 cup chilled coconut water. A handful of ice cubes. Blend until smooth and let your taste buds enjoy. Another flavorful health punch we have is called the Raspberry Chia Boost Smoothie. This vibrant smoothie is as nutritious as it is delicious. Recipe: 1 cup fresh raspberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup kefir or plain yogurt, and optionally, a teaspoon of honey for some extra sweetness. Soak the chia seeds in kefir for about 10 minutes to allow them to expand. Then, add the raspberries and honey to your blender along with the chia kefir mixture. Blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy the tart and creamy health goodness. Why this is good for you, you ask? Raspberries are very high in fiber and antioxidants. They support digestive health and reduce inflammation. Their soluble fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels. Chia seeds add extra fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which promotes satiety and gut health. Kefir is highly rich in probiotics, which helps you replenish your gut microbiome. This smoothie offers a harmonious blend of ingredients that work together to support your digestive and immune systems. We have some more unique and flavorful health fusions coming up, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who may be searching for the right smoothie recipe. And how about you? What is your favorite smoothie? Tell us about your favorite mix of flavors in the comments below. Stay curious and see you in the next video.